Hi guys, Chris from Car Sound Security. Today we've got a Lexus RX450h on a 2017 plate. Now what we've installed on this is, on the original screen, we've installed Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pass you over to Luke, obviously to give you a quick rundown, obviously what he's done on this vehicle.
Right, so changing of the CarPlay unit doesn't consist of anything of changing the original system. So it's got the original screen, original controllers, original radios. We just integrate into what we have. So to go in and out of the menu, you just press and hold your menu button. It will bring you up your CarPlay system on there once you're connected. While you can do wired or wireless through Android or through Apple, so it supports both. Obviously with the system here, obviously you're going to have multiple features. You're going to have Maps, Spotify, Google Maps, you'll have Waze, so go across, you can see Waze on there as well. On the very far left hand side, it will give you a split screen such as this. On the very far left, it will give you 3 most recently used icons. So if you change to Google Maps, the icon will change as well. All functions on the steering wheel will remain as normal: volume up, down, answer or reject. All of them features on here, tracks left and right, that will all stay as normal. All your scrolling is done through your iDrive controller, which will be down here on the bottom. Anything that you have through factory cameras, if you've got factory 360 or reverse, obviously this car only has reverse. Once you put it into reverse, it will show you your icon, and then once you go back into your normal mode, it will return back to what you was last on.
Thank you very much for that. Just a few questions. So you said it's got wireless and wired. So is there like another USB that you put into the car?
Yep, so we put another USB in. The customer opted in for this one to be put into the glove box, so she's not really going to be using it that much. So obviously with it in the glove box, that is your location for your wired versions. So
if you're on a long distance, you can keep it on charge, and then obviously that way you can still carry on using your Waze, your Google Maps, any music and stuff like that. Yeah. So obviously we've demonstrated on this Apple CarPlay. Is it compatible with Android Auto as well?
Compatible with Android Auto, compatible wireless and wired, both versions of all phones.
Cool. All right, thank you very much, guys. If you want your Lexus done, give us a call on 0208 554 554. That's 0208 554 554.